Our Pocket the last one to go in. Let's get up to Jerry.
They're off, very level break. This is the Irish Stallion Farms EBF Marble Hill Stakes. Listed race over 6 furlongs and showing ahead in the early stages. The blue-capped King Neptune being followed by Siskin, who's on the outside of Harpocrates, and they're followed on settling down by the first-timers Southern Hills and the back marker, the filly Back to Brussels. Continuing on towards the halfway stage, and the leader is King Neptune and AIDAN O'Brien, tracked by stable companion Harpocrates and Ryan Moore. On the stand side is Siskin and Keane, and to their inside Southern Hills and Shamie Heffernan with the back marker Back to Brussels and Chris Hayes. They're inside the halfway stage in the Marble Hill Stakes, and it is King Neptune the leader, followed by Siskin on the outside. Pushed along in between horses Harpocrates. On the left is Southern Hills, and Back to Brussels is making it interesting in between horses. Almost 5 in line as they race towards the final furlong. Spread across the track, and it's Siskin on the near side who comes to pick it up from King Neptune. Back to Brussels, Harpocrates is next, and they're being followed by Southern Hills, but stretching on is Siskin and Keane to remain unbeaten. Scores in the Marble Hill for Lyons. Second is King Neptune. Third is Harpocrates, then Back to Brussels and Southern Hills.
Yes, it's 2 from Siskin. He follows up his very impressive racecourse debut at Naas by an equally impressive performance here in the list of Marble Hill Stakes.
Yeah, he was very good, Kevin. Look, he was professional in the first stage.